Ultimate vanilla ice cream. Ingredients: 300 milliliters thick cream, 300 milliliters milk, 1 vanilla bean, split, 6 egg yolks, 175 grams caster sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Place the cream and milk in a saucepan and scrape in the vanilla seeds, then add the bean. Bring it all to a boil. Turn off the heat and set it aside for 10 minutes. Then place the egg yolks, sugar and vanilla extract into the electric mixer bowl and beat until it looks pale. Carefully pour the milk over, then return to a clean saucepan. Cook over a low heat, stirring, for about 5 minutes or until it is slightly thickened and coats the back of the wooden spoon. Set it aside to cool, then refrigerate for 30 minutes. Place custard in a plastic container in the freezer until it is frozen at the edges. Remove from the freezer when ready and beat using an electric beater again. Repeat a few more times. Refreeze, beat.